September is Truck Month at Bob Thomas Ford. Built Ford Tough, the Ford F-150, the best-selling truck in America. With an extra factory allocation, choose from over 150 new Ford trucks and save up to $8,000. Now more than ever, you can afford a Bob Thomas Ford. Ford Truck Month, 150 new Ford F-150s discounted to save you up to $8,000. So come on into the big Ford stores. Bob Thomas Ford, with 2 great locations, easy to get to from anywhere. Ford's regional headquarters, Bob Thomas Ford, north on Coliseum, west on Illinois.